Hello everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome to my channel. So today, as you can tell from the title, I'll be doing a first impression of the Givenchy Linter D. I'm probably not pronouncing that right, but bear with me. So I actually did a fragrance haul where I mentioned that I picked this up, so I will leave that in the description box down below if you want to see the other fragrance that I picked up. But I have never mentioned Givenchy fragrances ever on my channel, so this is going to be the first, hopefully the first of very many. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. So this is, like I said, Givenchy Linter D, and it is a amber floral fragrance that was launched in 2018. And the scent type is woody floral, which is very, very different. If you watch all my fragrance related videos, my top 10 fragrances, my perfume collection, all of that, you know that woody floral is not my kind of thing. I don't gravitate towards those kind of fragrances. However, I had a sample of this maybe like a year ago, a year and a half ago, and I quite liked it, so I decided to pick up the full bottle. So this is the 50ml or the 1.7 fluid ounces, and it retails for 93 US dollars, and here in the UK it retails for £73.50. if that's correct. I'll need to double check that. But the top notes are orange blossom, the heart notes are, or the middle notes are jasmine, tuberose, and the base note is vetiver and patchouli. So these notes, again, just very different to what I'm used to. You can definitely tell that it's a woody floral fragrance based on the notes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. I've already sprayed myself with different fragrances today, so I have to find an area that I haven't sprayed. Okay, I'll do it here. Oh, it's quite sweet. Honest, oh my gosh, this reminds me of bubblegum. This is crazy. This reminds me of like a mix of bubblegum and white florals with like elements of vanilla and pear. That is so odd. It literally, the initial spray, I literally could smell the bubblegum and like white florals. I know there's no bubblegum in this and it's not a gourmand fragrance, but like it literally smells like, oh yeah, I can smell the white florals coming. This is a really unique like fragrance. The initial spray, like I said, smelled like bubblegums. Now I'm smelling the white florals and like with hints of vanilla and pear. It's a very dynamic fragrance. I feel like the pear definitely gives it like a fruity element, whilst the base notes of patchouli definitely gives it that earthy like depth to it. This is such a well balanced fragrance. Like I'm smelling bubblegum sweetness, I'm smelling floral, I'm smelling pear, I'm smelling the woodiness. It's so unique. Wow, I did not expect this. It's so weird because, like I said, I had a sample of this like a year and a half ago, but for some reason I feel like the samples, like the really tiny samples that you get, sometimes smell different from the actual bottles, because I don't actually remember it smelling like this, unless I picked up the wrong one. But wow, that is very unique. It's well balanced. It's definitely like a mixture of sort of sweet, floral, fruity, and woody, which is very unique. Usually with fragrances, it's just very one-dimensional. It's either super sweet and vanilla-y, or it's fruity and floral, or it's like really woody. This has like a mixture of everything. That's actually really interesting. I did not expect that. I would definitely say this is giving me spring transitioning to autumn, or is it the other way around? Whichever way it is. Spring transitioning to autumn kind of fragrance. Even like, I feel like you could wear it in the winter too, just because of that woodiness. Wow. As you can tell, I'm quite shocked. I was not expecting it to smell like this. I don't know, I feel like maybe the sample I smelled last time wasn't this fragrance, but I quickly checked online, and they said that it's similar to Dolce & Gabbana, The Only One in Tent, as well as Armani My Way. I don't know any of those fragrances. I mean, I know of them, but I have not tried them, so I can't really speak on that. But in terms of what's similar in my collection, I would say there's actually no fragrance in my collection that I think is similar to this. It's actually very different, and it has a lot of depth to it. Like I said, it's just a mix of different things. The initial spray smells like bubblegum, and then I can smell the white florals, and then I can smell the vanilla, then I can smell the pear, and then I can smell the wood. It's just very like multi-dimensional. Now that it's dried down, I feel like overall it smells like white floral and like woody. So they definitely got that right when they said it was a woody floral scent, because that is definitely what I'm getting. I'm starting to smell a lot of the patchouli now that's coming through. Wow, that's very interesting. What else is there to say? In terms of who I can see wearing this is really different. Like, I feel like, in my opinion, this is more like a evening scent, just because I don't know if it's because I wear a lot of sweet scents and that they're usually you'd wear during the day, but if I was to wear this, I'd wear this during the evening. And in terms of, I would wear it like perfect for like autumn, springtime. Definitely say that it's definitely on the slightly mature side, and I don't mean like old grannies, but like in comparison to slightly sweeter scents that are definitely for a younger sort of demographic. I would definitely say this one, I could see like a real boss lady rocking this kind of scent to like a meeting or something. Very interesting. Yeah, so that is it for Givenchy Lintern D. There's not much to really say about it. Well, actually there was a lot to say about it. That is very, very different to what I actually have in my collection. But let me know in the comments if you try this fragrance, if you love it, if you hate it, your thoughts on it. Yeah, let me know. And if you do have Dolce & Gabbana The Only One, as well as, what was it called, Armani My Way, let me know if you have those fragrances and if you have this, and let me know if they're similar, because I'd actually like to really know that. But yeah, that's all for Givenchy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as to turn your notifications on so that you get notified for when I do when I post a video. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.